Hi everyone! I just wanted to come on and have a little chat to you all about some exciting new devices that we have had arrive. Just a couple. Last but certainly not least, we've got this small and mighty device. This one is called Celltite and it uses microcurrent technology. What microcurrent does is it makes your muscles work. So where you're losing tone in your face, normally around here, the cheekbones, the jawline, the jowls. We can use this to reignite the muscles within your face that have started to be lazy, the ones that we want to be working hard to keep our skin lifted and firm and toned. So microcurrent is tiny little electronic pulses. It's great for around the fine lines around the crow's feet, great for lifting the eyebrow, great for lifting the jowls. You can feel a tingle, but it's nothing uncomfortable, nothing that you can't cope with. It's quite nice actually. It's quite relaxing feeling, and it just gets those muscles stimulated again, gets the cell turnover boosted, gets you producing collagen again. So yeah, that is the Celltite, and that one is fab for an anti-aging. Anyone who's concerned about aging, anyone 40 plus will love this.